Okay, let's jump right in. For this deep dive, we're zooming in on something really specific, but incredibly important. Digital visibility for those hyper-local, high-trust businesses. Think about your local handyman or a home repair service.
Right. And the stakes here are so immediate. When you're looking for a handyman, it's all about reliability, trust, and, availability. Often it's urgent, like a same-day kind of problem.
And that whole decision process, it starts online, but the where online is what's changing so
Well,
dramatically.
it's not just a Google search anymore. It's often an AI-generated answer.
Exactly. So our mission today is to cut through the jargon. We're going to unpack three key acronyms that now determine if you find that reliable pro. We're talking AI, SEO, LLM SEO, and semantic SEO. This is definitely not your parents' Google.
Not at all. The entire game has shifted. We're not just writing for a search index anymore. We're structuring information so that platforms like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Google's AI overviews can accurately reference and recommend a business.
This sounds incredibly complex for like an independent contractor. Is this level of optimization really necessary just to fix a leaky faucet? Or is this just a game for the big multi-city companies?
It's becoming necessary because the AI models the urgency. Let's break down the three. First, AI SEO. It basically uses machine learning to understand the intent behind what you search.
Yeah, okay, the intent.
Yeah, is figuring out if handyman near me means I'm planning a renovation or if it means help, my toilet is overflowing right now.
Right. And if AI SEO handles that pain and urgency, then LLM SEO, large language model SEO, that must be the next piece. That's how you make sure the AI gives our number, not just a generic how-to guide.
You got it. LLM SEO is about anticipating really specific, complex questions. You have to structure your content so an AI can answer something like, can you fix broken glass and patch the drywall in the same emergency visit?
And what about semantic SEO? How does that fit in? You called it the foundation.
It's the context builder. Semantic SEO is what links all the pieces together. The service, the urgency, the location using structured data, or what we call schema. It's the difference between searching for plumber versus searching for emergency 24-hour plumber with pet-safe employees near me.
Wow, that's specific.
It links all those concepts for the AI.
So let's talk practical application here because that's where this gets really interesting. The goal is what people are calling AEO, answer engine optimization, and GEO, geographic optimization.
Yeah.
How does a company actually do that?
Well, it's a multi-layered thing. It starts with a technical foundation. You have to create an AI-ready website structure. Using schema is like giving the AI a custom label maker for every single service, review, and price on your site, so it knows exactly what to pull.
So schema is literally the language the AI understands. But how do you prove something as human as trust to an algorithm that's so vital for a local business?
You prove it by technically supporting what we call EEAT. That's expertise, experience, authority, and trust.
Right.
In practice, that means optimizing your map listings, tracking your calls, but also, and this is crucial, incorporating visual proof. We see huge jumps in visibility when handyman sites use photos or, short videos of completed work right next to verified feedback from homeowners.
So that documented visual proof becomes a new kind of technical trust signal.
It's incredibly powerful.
So what's the takeaway here for the marketplace? It sounds like handyman businesses, from the single independent pro to the larger providers, are starting to rely on these specialized technical partners.
They almost have to. These intent-focused strategies are complex, and if you zoom out a bit, what you see is that the path to local trust, it now runs directly through really advanced technical execution in these new AI environments.
It's not just about keywords anymore.
It's about context and technical proof.
Which leaves us with a provocative thought for you to consider. Since AI SEO is so reliant on understanding intent, think about the difference between a high-intent search, like same-day emergency repair, and a low-intent one, like general home maintenance services.
Yeah.
How drastically does that AI-powered result change based on that implied urgency? Does it give you a guide, or does it just bypass all that and immediately suggest a direct booking? Something to think about.